asked and you wanted me to review it, so here we are. This is the mini smartphone iLight 11. And look how small the box is. For those who have no idea what you're about to see one of the world's smallest smartphones. That's right, my friends. Let's show you everything you get. Little manual, screen protector, little case. This is so cute. Oh my goodness, you get a charging cable and a little tool here. This is what the back looks like. It's so cute. I'm covering up some numbers here, but look at the camera lenses. This is amazing. This is so cute. Put your SIM card in here, I believe. Now you want to look on Amazon to make sure that whatever plan you have or whatever plan you're going to get is compatible. This is so cool, my friends. This is how it looks. Just your standard Android system. I mean, it is amazing. Now the quality, you guys are looking through a lens. The quality is much better in person. You got phone messaging, so yeah, you text. It's a cell phone. It's a cell phone. You got galleries, you got photos, you can do all that fun stuff. Calculator, clock, contacts, backup, restore, browser, email, flashlight. Let's see. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. This is awesome. It is truly a miniature smartphone. Google Play. I mean, of course, you have to connect to the internet and all that stuff and sign in. And you just swipe down like your normal Android, connect to your Wi-Fi. And all that stuff, Bluetooth you have. You have all do not disturb. You got, you can see your internet, and if you have a SIM card in. Let's see if I'm doing this right. There we go. Location, auto rotate. We probably have that turned off. Let's see. Let's do the camera. Allow. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. You can do video, photo, reverse the camera. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Oh! This is so cool. Absolutely cool, guys. You're looking for a miniature smartphone, my friends? This is cool. Oh, I like that. It actually, okay, so if you keep going over like this, it just goes to the last page and then goes back to the beginning. I like that. I like that a lot. Our phone we have now does not do that. It had 2%, now it's up to 7%, so it charges fast as well. Yeah, I think you guys are going to like this. Let's see if we can go and turn on auto rotate. So that's portrait mode. This is auto rotate. It might auto rotate when you're in apps and stuff, is my guess. But really cool. You got your volume on here. You got your power button right here. Press and hold. I mean, it is truly incredible.